So guys, were you one of those persons who missed out on the opportunity to start mining Pias at 2019 when they began? Okay, so here's another opportunity for you guys, because in this video today I'm going to be showing you all a powerful project that is currently ongoing right now as I speak. Okay, and one of the most amazing parts is that this project got about 60% of their inspiration from the Pi white paper, which simply means that this project is also an independent project just like Pi, and it also has its own blockchain. All right, so I bet you know what that means, guys. This actually means that this project is going to be a big shot, and I bet you wouldn't want to miss out, guys. All right, so make sure to stick with me all through this video, guys, so you get to know exactly how you can sign up right here on this project, and as well how you can start mining on a daily basis to get free airdrops for yourself, guys. All right, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is End With Done channel, and what we'll do here is we'll give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space, because I for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever new videos have been uploaded right here on this channel, you are going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay guys, so here we are on this project website homepage right now, and as you can see up here, the name of this project is called Delta. All right, and down here it says Delta opening a new era of digital money without private keys for all mankind. And down below here it says you can start using the Delta mobile app now to mine Delta digital currency for free and energy savingly and easily manage cross-chain assets. All right, so down below here that says download Delta app now. I'm going to hit on it, guys, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so over here it says download the Delta app and start mining and managing assets. Join now. Okay, so down below here it says no need to invest 1 cent of legal currency. Delta is your money. You are entitled to mine for free. Okay, and it says all you need is a trusted referral DID. All right, so what that means is all you need is actually the referral code to start up, guys. Okay, so when you actually use someone's referral code during sign up, you're going to be given 1 free Delta token, guys. Okay, that is basically how it is for now. All right, so down below here you can simply download the APK Android app just by hitting on this button right here, and as well you can download the Delta app from the Apple Store, as you can see right here. Okay, so when you are done downloading the app, either using your Android device or your Apple device, the next step would be to actually launch the app, and then you sign up immediately, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you exactly what the app looks like right now before I show you guys the sign up process. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay guys, so here we are on my phone's home screen right now. So when you're actually done downloading the app, it's going to look something like this. Okay, so all you just simply need to do is hit on it. It's going to load up. Okay, so let's give this some time, guys. Okay guys, so it's downloading up right now. So this is exactly what the app's interface looks like. Okay, as you can see up here, guys, I've actually mined up to 650 Delta tokens right here, and I'm currently mining 16.267 Delta tokens / day. All right, so this is actually cool, guys. Okay, so before I proceed with showing you guys the basic functionalities of the Delta app, I'm going to be showing you guys first of all how you can sign up right here so you won't get things complicated for yourself. Okay, so guys, let's go do the sign up right now. Okay guys, so here we are on the Delta app sign up page. Okay, so remember, before you can be on this page right here, you first of all need to have downloaded the Delta app from the Delta website. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving a link to the Delta website on this video description, and as well my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. Okay, so all you just simply need to do is go over to the website and then you download the app. So when you actually download the app, it's going to bring you over to this page you see right here. Okay, so while you are here, the next step would be selecting your country right here just by hitting on this box, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on the box. Okay, so as you can see over here, guys, it's actually an alphabet A to Z. So you can simply select your country right here just by choosing the first alphabet of your country. Okay, so for me, I'm actually a Nigerian, so I'm going to hit on N right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is Nigeria, so you can just simply hit on Nigeria right here, guys. All right, so down here that says MSISDN, you just simply input your phone number right here, guys. Okay, so I'm going to input mine right now. Okay, so which is 8178352569. Okay, so this is actually my WhatsApp number. So down below here that says next step, I'm going to hit on the next step button, guys. Okay, it's going to load up. Here we are, guys. So this is where you actually input your referral ID. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving my referral ID on this video description, and as well my WhatsApp and Telegram community. All right, so all you just simply need to do is go over there, copy the referral ID, and then you actually paste it right here. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video right now, just quickly input my referral ID, and I'm going to be right back, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so I just got my referral ID, so I'm going to paste it right here, guys. Boom. So down below here that says nickname, so I'm going to input a nickname right now. I'm going to type in End With Done. and we're done. Okay, I'm gonna add something like let's say 09. I'm gonna hit on this place right here that says next step, guys. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says confirm information. So this information right here is actually correct. So down here that says DSMS verification, I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so over here that says get, I'm going to hit on get down here. All right. Okay, so as you can see right here, guys, all these numbers over here are all validators who are going to help you validate your account when you actually send a text message to them. Okay, so if you actually want to send a text message to them, you make sure you actually select a validator that is, very active. All right, so you can know if they are active through their scores, as you can see right here. So this very guy right here, this very first guy using the MTN number actually has a 26% score. The second guy right here, who is also using MTN, has a 28% score. The third guy has a 25% score. The fourth guy has a 22% score. Okay, so I would recommend you actually go for the second guy right here or the first guy. All right, so when you actually want to send an SMS, all you just simply need to do is hit on this place right here, and then when the box has been ticked, just like mine you see right here, you simply hit on the next button. Okay, so before we actually proceed with the next button right here, you can also validate using the global universal validation, as you can see right here, guys. Okay, but I wouldn't suggest to use the global universal validation, guys. Okay, I would suggest to use your country's validation. All right, just like mine you see right here is showing Nigeria. So let's say you're actually from Bangladesh or you're from Ghana or whatever country you hail from, your country is going to be showing just like mine is showing right here, which is Nigeria. And you're going to be able to see your validators right here who are willing to validate, your account for you. Okay, so when you're actually done selecting whosoever you actually want to select, so like I said, always make sure to select someone with a high score. Okay, so let's say I'm actually selecting this very first guy right here. I simply hit on this place up here that says next step. It's going to load up, guys. Okay, here we are, guys. So the next step would be copying this verification string you see right here just by hitting on this copy section right here, and then you actually send the string to this access number down below here. Okay, so remember, this was the number we actually selected while we're trying to find someone who's going to validate for us. Okay, so when you actually send this verification to this number, they're going to be sending you a code. So when they actually send you a code, you simply input the code in the expected place they actually want you to input that code. And when you are done inputting the code, guys, you're going to be redirected over to your account dashboard where you can start mining on a daily basis. Okay, so make sure to use your phone number, guys. Okay, as you can see, there's actually a prompt over here that says please use your phone number +234-8178352569 and send the verification string to the access number to complete the verification. Okay, so this number right here ending with 69 is my number, and this number right here ending with 100 is the access number. All right, so that is basically the instruction right here. Okay, and also make sure to know that the verification string is valid for 6 minutes. Okay, so this is the verification string up here, so make sure to be fast with your transactions and all of that, so the time won't run out, guys. Okay, so you can either select receiving notification using your SMS or your WhatsApp, as you can see right here. All right, so when you're actually done doing all of that, the next step would be this place down here that says I have sent verification string next step. You just simply hit on it, and boom, guys, when you actually fill in the details on the next step, they're going to be redirecting you over to your account where you can start mining, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can sign up right here on Delta. All right, so I'm not going to be proceeding with creating another account because I already have an account. I actually don't want to have issues with the Delta system, because if I actually have 2 accounts, I don't know what might happen to my first account. Okay, so I'm going to log into my account right now, so I show you guys exactly how you can start claiming airdrop each and every single day right there on the Delta app. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my account dashboard right now. So when you actually sign in for the very first time, you're going to be seeing a prompt to start mining. Okay, so all you simply do is hit on that start mining button, and boom, guys, when you actually hit on that button, it's going to bring you over to this page you see right here. Okay, so while you are here on this page, you're going to see up here that you are giving 1 Delta token just for signing up using my referral code. Okay, so that is basically how you can get 1 Delta token for absolutely free just by using someone's referral code. Okay, so guys, as you can see down below here, it says user distribution. Total number of people currently mining the Delta token is about 329,279 persons. Okay, so this is actually the total number of persons currently on this project who are mining. All right, so guys, for those of you who might be wondering how the Delta token came about, the Delta token is actually the first native token of the internet computer. Okay, and the internet computer is actually a coin, and you guys know that tokens are built under coins, guys. All right, So the Delta token is actually a blockchain on its own, and it's a testnet that is built under the internet computer. Okay, so you see how powerful this project is. That is the reason why you actually need to hop in right now, so you actually get the best out of it right now that the airdrops are still for free. All right, so if I scroll down below here, guys, you get to see the total allocation, which is 300 billion, and the mining ratio, which is currently 180 billion. Okay, so down below here shows the registration and mining trends, as you can see right here. All right, and as you can see down here, guys, it says contract canister state powered by internet computer. Okay, so guys, this project is slowly gaining momentum, and you don't want to miss out on this. Okay, so guys, let's talk about the functionalities right now. So up here that says wallet, if I hit on it right now, it's going to load up. Okay, as you can see, these are various wallets right here, but guys, you have nothing to do with this at the moment. Okay, so over here is the DTC wallet, the ICP wallet, which is the internet computer, the BTC Bitcoin wallet, the USDT wallet, the Ethereum, and BNB. Okay, I'm gonna go back. You have nothing to do with that. So over here is a security cycle. If I hit on it right now, as you can see, mine is showing 0% because I've not yet added anyone to my security cycle, guys. Okay, so if you actually want to add someone to your security cycle, just make sure to add someone that you trust. All right, so if you actually want to add someone, you just simply hit on this place right here that says add manually. Okay, and then you just select the country by hitting on this box right here. Okay, and when you are done with that, you just simply input the phone number right here, and then down below here that says appellation, you just simply input the person's name right here. Okay, and then you simply hit on the submit button. All right, so that is basically how it is. So as you can see, there's a prompt right here that says, please do not add untrusted people to your security cycle. So just make sure not to add someone you don't trust. All right, so if you actually want to know more about the security cycle, like what it's about, you just simply, hit on all those drop down arrows right here. As you can see, this one says, what is the function of safety cycle? So if I actually hit on this drop down arrow, it says that it provides secondary authentication in sensitive situations to protect your account security. And this one down here says, how does the security cycle work? So guys, basically it's all on protection of your account. All right, this one down below here says, when will you use it? So it says that when your Delta app is out of control, the general situation is that the mobile phone is lost or stolen. Okay, so it's actually necessary when your mobile phone has been lost or stolen, so that you can easily have someone that can help you with some codes to actually get back your account. That is the basic reason why you need a security circle, guys. All right, so I'm going to go back right now. So over here that shows this human icon, it actually shows the total number of persons who are currently mining. Okay, so you get to see your referral tree over here. All right, so this one right here that says mint, if I hit on it right now, you get to see your total mining rate right here, guys. Okay, as you can see, I'm currently mining 16.2 Delta tokens / day. All right, so that is basically what this section is for, guys. Okay, and over here that says USDT, if I hit on it right now, here we are. So you get to see the current worth of the total amount of Delta token you have mined. As you can see, this amount of Delta token right here, 653, is currently worth the sum of 413 USDT, as you can see right here. Okay, so guys, when this Delta token is finally centralized, the total amount of USDT I've actually gotten right here is going to be transferred over to the end section right here, and I can easily make withdrawal right here that says withdraw. Okay, so that is basically how it is. Okay, so make sure not to miss out on this opportunity, guys, because everything right here is actually for free. You are not paying for anything right here. You're actually not investing your money right here. Everything is totally for free. The airdrops are actually for free, guys. Okay, so make sure not to miss out on this. So up here that says AD, which is ad. If I actually hit on it right now, it says sponsor developers by watching ads. Okay, so you can actually sponsor developers right here by watching some ads. I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, so me agreeing to watch ads right here means that I'm actually supporting the Delta token ecosystem. All right, so if I actually hit on this place down here that says the app, so as you can see, guys, there are actually two decentralized apps right here. This one says ICP crowdfunding, and this one right here says DSMS terminal. Okay, so if I actually hit on the ICP crowdfunding right here, it's going to load up. As you can see right here, it says amount raised is currently 1092 ICP. So ICP right here actually means internet computer, and over here that says disbursed amount, it says that it's currently about 10 million plus, as you can see right here. Okay, and over here says participation times is 233 persons. All right, and over here says exchange rate is 486 DTC / ICP. All right, and right here says it's fundraise. Okay, so guys, what I did just a while ago by agreeing to watch ads right here is actually a way of me raising funds for them. All right, because the more ads I watch, the more they actually make money to equip this project. All right, so that is basically how you can also support. All right, so if I actually go back right now, this place over here that says the SMS terminal, if I hit on it right now, Here we are. So as you can see over here, it says the DSMS verification terminal is Delta's decentralized verification SMS access terminal and is the front end part of the 3-node verification, no private key, no mnemonic phrase, no password required solution. Okay. So guys, you can also ask questions right here by posting a review of something you don't know about or something you know about. Okay. So let's say someone is actually asking questions that they don't know about. You can help them out by answering them. And if you actually have questions that you don't know about, someone can also answer you right here just by posting a review right here. So that is basically one of the functions of the DSMS terminal. Okay. So if I actually go back right now, guys, if I hit on this place right here, that is menu. So you get to see your DID number right here that you can easily copy and send to your friends to actually use to register. And when they actually do, they get 1 Delta token for themselves, and you also get a reward, guys. Okay. So over here is actually the wallet section, the referral team section, the security cycle section. You can also provide security for yourself, the local security section, the profile. So there are a bunch of functionalities right here that you can just simply go through on your own to know more about them. Okay, so guys, this is basically where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So I hope you all enjoyed this class, guys. If you did, kindly leave this video a like, and if you are new right here on this channel, make sure you smash on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for more amazing videos like this, guys. All right, so on my subsequent videos, guys, I'm going to be giving you more and more updates on the Delta token, so you actually get to know what is going on the Delta ecosystem, so you actually don't get to miss out on any of them, guys. All right, so thank you all for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.